So today's project is going to be very easy with very minimal wood cutting needed. I have 6 18-inch Dollar Tree wood slats that I'm going to be starting with. And again, you could find these right from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to line them up side by side. And then I have just 2 small scrap pieces of wood left over from other projects. And you just want to glue that down and make sure that it is the same width so that it touches at least a piece of each piece of wood that we have here. And this is going to be how we're going to hold the 6 pieces together. And I used hot glue to adhere these. I'm then going to take some Wise Owl black paint and paint the entire thing. Now, of course, you can use any paint color of your choice. All paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. Next, I have 2 36-inch by 3/4 of an inch square pieces of wood. They're almost like sticks or those long stakes you can get. I found them at Hobby Lobby as well. And I have 2 of them that I painted with Wise Owl black. And then my third piece of wood I did have to cut to 14 inches, and I painted that black as well. Once my paint had dried, I just took a chip brush and some Wise Owl Snow Owl, and I dry brushed some white onto the wood. And I did the same for my 14-inch wood slat as well. Once all my paint is dry, I'm ready to glue all my pieces together. I'm going to flip everything facing down so the bottoms are facing up. I'm going to mark 8 inches up from the left side of my long pieces of wood, and I'm going to glue them onto the side of the 6 wood slats that we glued together. And I'm going to do that on both sides. Now I'm going to flip it back over, and then I'm going to take my 14-inch wood slat and go 5 inches up from the top here and glue that piece of wood across the 2 wood sticks. I found this Merry Christmas wreath sign from Dollar General. I believe it was $1. And I have some Canadian pine stems that I'm just going to wrap around the ring here. Now, there are so many ways that you can decorate your wood sled. This was just a very easy idea. I have this artificial greenery with pine cones, and I believe I found this at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to staple that to the top here, and then I'm also going to staple down my Merry Christmas wreath ring, and you can hide the staples with some of the pine stems. At the top here, I'm going to drill a hole in both the left and right side of my 14-inch wood slat, and I'm going to add a piece of jute, and you want to tie the knot so that it is exposed. And now this is going to be how we're going to hang our sled if you want it to be a hanging decor, or you can certainly stand this. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.